everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Shuravi. So today I will be sharing my weight loss journey with you. So 7 to 8 months back I was diagnosed with PCOS. So my doctor suggested me to lose some weight. So at that point of time my weight was only 51 kgs and according to my BMI my perfect and appropriate weight should be 48 to 50. 50 is maximum. So I had to lose only 1 kg. My doctor assured me that it is not a big deal and I was not much worried at that point of time. So from the next day I started doing workout, normal free hand exercises, and I did little bit diet, like I used to put less oil in my food. So this kind of things I did for 1 month and I checked my weight. And you won't believe it was 54 kgs. That means that it was a huge for me. And my doctor warned me that if you still gain weight, then there are possibilities that you could have sugar, cholesterol, thyroid. So I was very scared that point of time. So I was not getting any idea that what to do next. So I went to a nutritionist and she made a diet chart for me, and in that plan she included apple cider vinegar. So I came home and she told me to follow that routine, the same routine for next 3 months. So from the next day I started taking protein in my daily meal. Like in my breakfast I used to take this protein shake. In my lunch and dinner I added chicken and fish in every meal of mine, and I did some regular exercise, and I used to take apple cider vinegar once before my lunch. So that was the routine, and I did the same for next 1 month, and I went to check my weight. I don't know you would believe it or not, but it was 50 point something. I was surprised that oh my god, how did it happen? But yes, and that's mean that I have lost more than 3 kgs in 1 month. So it is huge for me. It was huge for me. But apple cider vinegar really does a good job to weight lose. Really, apple cider vinegar really does a good job if you want to lose weight. But definitely you have to maintain a strict diet, and you have to do exercise. Then only apple cider vinegar will work for you. So I hope this is clear for you, right? Hey, now I will tell about the benefits of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar really helps to control blood sugar, blood pressure, and it's also balance pH level in our body. And apple cider vinegar really does a good job to lose weight, and it is very beneficial for PCOD and PCOS patients. You can use apple cider vinegar in your hair to make your hair more shiny and brighter, and it is really helpful for your hair. You can use apple cider vinegar in your skin to remove your acne spots, and it is really does a great job for oily skin. They can use it as a toner. How and when to take it? Add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar in a glass and dilute it with water and have it 20 minutes prior to your meal. I usually take it before my lunch. I do take it once, but if you want faster result, then you can take it twice. If you take it after waking up in the morning, it will help you to burn your belly fat, and you can also take it after your meal. It will help you to digest your food. 15 to 30 ml is the maximum. Don't use it more than that. Important note, whenever you are buying apple cider vinegar, please check it should have mother in it, and if you can see these particles over here, that means it is authentic and it is good for your health. So that's it for now. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next week. Bye bye.